Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2023 Volkswagen Jetta SE. This particular one is platinum gray metallic on the exterior with Titan black interior and a sunroof package. It features keyless entry on 2 doors, push button start, heated seats, 17-inch alloy wheels, LED running lights. You also have this chrome on the front here, right around the Volkswagen logo. Now these are the same wheels that were on the 2019 Jetta R-Line. They just made it through to the SE Jetta for 2022 and 2023 and also 2024. LED turn signals and reverse lights as well. It says SE off to the right over here and Jetta off to the left there. A new Volkswagen logo on the back there. The exhaust tips are hidden underneath. A silver windowsill. Let's take a look at the inside. As we open this up here, you're going to see leatherette on the door inset here. This metallic finish up here, right up to the door handle. Leatherette down here on the arm pad with a single contrast stitch right here. Silver tips on the window switches, and a fuel filler door release and a trunk release right there. This one has the rubber mats already installed. This one is potentially sold already, so we've already installed the mats and got the car all cleaned up. We'll just take the stickers off when they get here. The bolster on the seat here is a double contrast stitch. It's leatherette. Power seat right here. Power lumbar. Forward back up and down here. Seat back adjust here. And that bolster, the double contrast stitch, goes up right behind, goes to a single, and into the headrest. The headrest has a single contrast stitch as well with that button right there. The arm pad also has a single contrast stitch there. And there's a look at your seats in the back. As we go ahead and climb in here, all Volkswagens now have a digital cockpit. So this one has a digital cockpit right here. This is the speedometer version of view. Then there's a tachometer view, and then there is a blended view. On the blended view, you can change what is displayed on either side just by hitting the left tab button here or the right tab here and arrowing up or down. So you can change what is displayed on either side. And then when you see that little arrow there with the settings, you can go further in and check boxes for the things that you want to change as well. Average speed, gear display, oil temperature, audio, telephone, and what have you. So you can change stuff there. I'm going to go ahead and put that on average speed, travel distance and time, and average fuel economy. We're going to add those. Now I can go over to this side over here to the right and change as well. So I can do telephone, no display, driving data, average distance, time, average speed, audio, telephone, and I'll do audio right there. So you'll have that on that side. Down here on the right, there's your fuel gauge. As you consume fuel, these lines disappear. This last line will turn red, and then once it gets critical, it will flash. You'll also have a amber fuel light, a low fuel light that's somewhere over here. Temperature gauge is over here on the left. You do also have a telescoping steering wheel, so you can pull out on this guy. Push in, raise it, lower it, lock it where you want, and set it. Okay. You do also get safety features here. Push the button on the tip here. So we have lane assist on this one, adaptive cruise control, regular cruise control, front assist, rear traffic alert. Looks like it's going to be deleted on this one, so that means no blind spot as well. So there's no blind spot monitor on this particular car. The AM/FM radio is right here. Your backup camera also shows up right there. You do not get trajectory steering, but you just have the red line that signifies where your trunk lid is, and your bumper, and the green line signifies straight back. You do also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with this one. And then also mirror link. You do have to hook up with a cord using one of these 2 USB-C connections right here. You do have a phone tray down here as well. No wireless charging on this one. You'll have to plug in. Dual zone climate control right here, so you can adjust the temperature accordingly right here. You have driver and passenger side there. You do also have heated seats for both driver and passenger. And then you do not get a heated steering wheel in this one. They have not done the cold weather package since they've gone to the 2022 model. So you don't get the cold weather package with the heated steering wheel or heated rear seats. But you do get a 12-volt charger port right here. The push button start is here. E-brake is right there. And then you also have the auto start stop shut off button here and an eco button here. Eco button is going to actually defeat this shut off, So you're going to have the auto start stop if you go into eco mode. Your cup holders, stadium seat style cup holders. This one's slightly higher than this one, so the lids don't bump each other when you're driving. You have storage right here as well. In the armrest, more storage down in there. So you have that. In the glove box here, there's your manuals, tire warranty right underneath there. Nice flat dash, lots of visibility here. Auto dimming home link mirror with 3-door garage door memory and a digital compass right there. You do also get a vanity mirror on each side with an incandescent bulb up there for that light there. They haven't gone quite to LED yet on everything. And then right here, there's your sunglass carrier right there, or caddy, and your home link buttons, or your CarNet buttons are all right here, my VW. A manual sunshade for that sunroof right there. That's a panoramic sunroof. This opens up, it goes right back to just in front of the shark fin antenna back there. So quite a bit of opening here. A pop-up windscreen there as well. The glass is tinted as well. The passenger seat, manually adjusted. There's the loop to slide it forward and back. Over here on the side, no handle to raise or lower the seat, but you do have a handle right there. If I can show you right there, that guy, that adjusts, the seat back adjusts for you. Now let's take a look at the rear seats. This one comes in at $26,776. Extras on this one include $850 for the power tilting sliding panoramic sunroof, $405 for the auto dimming home link mirror, $296 for monster mats, $195 for a 3rd year of prepaid maintenance, and there's a $450 credit for blind spot monitoring and rear traffic alert being deleted due to the chip shortage. $1095 for destination brings you to $26,776. There's a look at that nice thin bezel on the sunroof there. There are no drains on this one. It just seals the rain out the way it closes here, so you don't have any problem with any kind of leaking or anything like that, or clogged drains. There's a look at the sunscreen right there. Very nice looking car. As we open this door back here, this is now, it's designed to look like leatherette, but it's actually a rougher plastic. Leatherette down here on the arm pad. Storage right down here. And then you do also have leatherette seats in the back here. The 2 outboard seats there have this upholstery on them, or this kind of contour. The middle one does not. The headrests are fixed on the 2 outboard seats. It's manually adjusted in the front one there. No pockets back here, but I do get a lot of leg room here, and I'm wearing my bow ties and boxer socks today. There's no vent right here. The vents are underneath the seat on both sides. There's a pocket right there as well. Here's a look up at the front from the back. That giant panoramic sunroof as well. There's a look at your headrests. Car seat hookups here and also here. Fixed headrest there. This one in the middle is adjustable. Let's take a look at the trunk. There's a look at that alloy wheel right there. Nice looking wheel. And back here in the trunk, right below the VW logo there, just squeeze, it pops up. Nice large trunk here. Cargo blocks right here. You can get quite a lot of stuff in here. Underneath the floor, there's your spare tire right there, and a jack apparatus right there as well. There's a look at your seats there. There's seat pulls on either side where you can fold these seats down flat, and you have a handhold on either side to close that trunk. This car will come with a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on it from Volkswagen. It's 4 years, 50,000 miles, and includes 3 years of included maintenance on this car. Also, if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's, remember you can fly in and drive out. I'm going to give you an additional 3 years of free maintenance on this car. Your 40, 50, and 60,000-mile oil changes will also be covered. That is a local deal only. You'll have to come to my dealership to redeem that. Also, if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's, we're going to give you an additional 10-year, 200,000-mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. So if you're interested in this car or another one like it, please give me a call. 636-290-4257, 636-290-4257. I'm on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day.